Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here, and guess what I've got? I have got some fresh strawberries. Have y'all seen the strawberries at the farmer's market and in the grocery store? These fresh strawberries look great. And I just got to tell you, I could not resist. I got me a bunch of strawberries and I'm going to make a fresh strawberry pie. If you love strawberries, give me a heart. I love strawberries. I would be putting 5 or 6 hearts on there. I love them. So if you love strawberries, give me a heart. And let's go ahead and let me tell you what's in this fresh strawberry pie. You're going to need graham cracker pie crust. You're going to need fresh strawberries like this. You're going to need some sugar, and you're going to need some strawberry jello and some cornstarch. So anyway, this is what you're going to need to make a really good strawberry pie. Now, I've already poured my water in here, and you need 1 cup of water, but I've already poured my water in here, and I've got to crank up the heat on that and get that hot so I can start doing some good stuff inside here. So anyway, I'm going to tell you today that I'm making 2 strawberry pies because, I got a lot of mouths to feed, but I'll give you the ingredients for 1 strawberry pie. And while we're waiting on this to heat up, I want to show you my strawberries. Now, they come whole, of course, like this. You're going to have to hull them, what we call here in the South, hull them, which is to take off the green part at the top. And then you're going to have to chop them up. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And it's really simple. Now, and if you go pick them yourself or wherever you get them, you need to wash your strawberries. Wash them good and drain them. Let them drain. And I did that this morning. So anyway, what I'm doing is I'm pulling this up and then I'm cutting that off. And you don't want to waste your strawberries, so you make sure you don't cut off half your strawberry with it. There you go. If there's any bad spots on a strawberry, you can cut them off as well. But I'm just chopping mine away. Now, I got to tell y'all, I've had a lot of response. People like my little ulu, and I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, that I got in Alaska. It has a bowl in it, this beautiful little cutting board. It has a knife. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these, which I don't have any, but I would be willing to look for some for you, give me a thumbs up if you would like to have the knife and the board, and I'll get on the hunt for some and see if I can't find any. So give me a thumbs up if you're interested in this. I will tell you it is real handy. All right, let's move on to making this strawberry pie. We got to get the water warm. That's the first thing we do. So we're getting that warm, and we're going to bring it. We got to start adding stuff to it. Now, let me get my little stir thing here. Where did you go? Where did you go? Y'all know how it is. You know right where it is until it starts. Well, we'll just use this. Okay, here we go. We got us a wire whisk, and we're going to pour in all this sugar. Now, you're going to need between a 1/2 cup and a cup per pie. Now, my husband doesn't like the pies real sweet, so I do 3/4 cup per pie. And this right here is a 1.5 cups because I'm making 2 pies. So anyway, I'm getting that hot. And we got to add a few more things to it. And one thing we have to add is cornstarch. Now, y'all, it calls for 3 tablespoons of cornstarch per pie. 3 tablespoons per pie. And y'all know how to measure it with your trusty measuring spoon. Plop it in there. But I've already got mine measured out. Because remember, I'm doing 2 pies. So there we go. And it takes a little whisking to get the lumps out. And trust me, those lumps are going to go out. You don't need to worry. We just whisk and whisk and whisk. Yeah, there we go. And we've added that. We've added the sugar. We've added the cornstarch. And now we've got to add the jello. Okay. Y'all, this is the 3-ounce size of jello, 3 ounce, and it's strawberry. So anyway, let me get them open. If you're making 1 pie, you only need 1 jello. If you're making 2 pies, you need 2 jellos. So I'm making 2. So anyway, now y'all, these strawberry pies will cure what ails you, and they're also very refreshing for the heat of the summer. Now, y'all know it's been really hot here in Alabama lately, really hot, hotter than it should be for this time of year. And we're getting ready for some holidays, and I'm going to be bringing these strawberry pies because they're so easy to make and they're so refreshing. You don't have to tell everybody how easy they are, but they are easy and they're delicious. Now, y'all, the recipe does not call for this, but I'm going to tell you what I do to zhuzh up my pies a little bit. I add some apple cider vinegar. Now, this is about a half a tablespoon per pie. So here we go. I'm adding that in. Now, what does that do? Y'all, that gives you a nice little tartness to your pie that I absolutely love. So we want a tart pie, so that's what we're doing on that. So we have got this on medium heat, and it's still heating, and we just got to let it get a little hotter, and then we're going to create the pies. Now, y'all, how long did that take? Not long at all. While we're waiting, I want to tell you and remind you that my book, Happiness is Homemade, y'all, it's on Amazon, and you can order it, and it'll come right to your house. Would you like an ebook? That's available in ebook or regular book. Your ebook, if you order it, it'll go right to the device that you want it to go to, whether it's your phone, your iPad, your computer, your laptop, whatever. It'll do that. So all you got to do is get on Amazon and order it. If you want to see more videos of me, go to YouTube or my Facebook page, and you can watch plenty of those. And if you want to get my emails, go to dannastandridge.com, and you can get my emails. And a lot of my videos are on there as well. Okay, y'all, we got this ready to go. Now, let me show you how we fix the pies. Half the strawberries go in the bottom of one and half in the other. Now, you can arrange these and do all kind of pretty stuff, or you can do like a Southern mama does that's trying to get food on the table, and you can just pour it in there. So that's what I've done. Got a few extras right here that I just cut up. Ooh, I got to turn that off. Oh, it's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty and red. Can you see it? Ooh, baby, that's going to be good. I'm going to let it cool a second as I get these ready. All right. So you use a pint of strawberries per pie, 1 pint. And y'all, that's roughly about 2 cups chopped up. So anyway, you get these ready, and you're just going to pour that over the top. I know. How easy is that? Ooh, baby, it's a little bitty hot right now. I hope y'all are doing okay. Let me get a spatula. For one of my gifts, somebody recently gave me this, and it's called Time to Eat, y'all. And I don't know if y'all know or familiar, but the first book I did was for the state of Alabama, and it was called Time to Eat, y'all. And it was celebrating the bicentennial for the state of Alabama. And we're 200 years old down here in Alabama, so we got a lot of cooking under our belt. And we just want to share it with you in these recipes. Okay, y'all, I'm pouring it. Pour it over. Pour it over. Oh my goodness, y'all. That looks so good. Oh, yeah. Ooh, there's a little bit left in there, but y'all don't tell anybody, but sometimes I lick that. You know, when you're a little girl, you're like, lick the spoon, lick the bowl. And I don't do it in front of y'all, but when the lights are off and whatever, if I want a taste of it, I'll give it a little taste. Maybe you won't hold that against me. Well, anyway, this one's not under. Let me push it down. Oh my goodness, y'all. I can't wait to eat that. Let's see if we can just do a little taste. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's smoking so bad. That would burn my tongue, wouldn't it? Let me see. That is really, really strawberry-ish. And you know what? My family's going to be so happy to have this fresh strawberry pie. And this is a fresh strawberry pie that my mother-in-law's been making for years, and she was gracious enough to give me the recipe. So if y'all got a really great mother-in-law like I do, y'all give me a heart. Come on, you know you got a good mother-in-law. You know you're a good mother-in-law. Come on, y'all, put a heart on there. Okay, y'all, here's fresh strawberry pie. And how I finish it off, we put it in the refrigerator and let it chill. And you know, 2 or 3 hours it'll be chilled. And you want it to be firm. And then you put some Cool Whip or something on the top, and you've got a great pie. So anyway, I just want to tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. And y'all, look, share this recipe with somebody. Share a fresh strawberry pie with your friends. Share, 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 and get the word out there that we know what's good in the Deep South, and we know it's fresh strawberry pie. Take advantage of those strawberries while they're out there. All right. Love y'all. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.